Hey guys, Dean here, Big Dog Builds. Today we're going to showcase Ben's brand new Ram 1500 DT 2022 model straight off the showroom floor. Ben's 1500 Ram DT is going to be set up for a bit of a weekend warrior touring package. He's waiting for a tray canopy to come, and we've got the suspension sorted, ready for that added weight in the rear. Ben came to us to install the essentials package, being suspension, wheels and tyres, with the HHD Rear Coils in the rear, ready for his tray canopy package that's coming. For the suspension, we've gone with the King Shocks Australia 2.5 remote res with adjusters front and rear. This is some of the best suspension you can put in your Ram 1500. For this package, guys, we've gone with a 20-inch KMC Mesa in an awesome bronze finish. We've paired this up with a Toyo RT 35 12.5 20 tyre. These tyres are great on and off-road. They give you a bit of the best all-round experience. It's not just the 2500, 3500 build packages. We've also got packages to suit Ram 1500s, got your Ford F-150 packages, guys. If you're interested in anything else, including roof racks, air on board, electrical, bar work, hit us up today. Oh, good. The KMC Mesa 20-inch, very short and sweet. Offset in a bronze finish. Yeah. That's about it.